Hello, thank you for choosing Sun Hotel. Congratulations on your honeymoon. We offer a free special room set up for you.
Yes, it's wonderful. Thank you.
My pleasure. Just to confirm the details, red roses or a mixed bouquet for the flowers.
The red rose, please.
Perfect. Where would you like them? On the dresser or next to the bed?
Yes, please. On the bed.
Got it? For a drink, we offer a champagne or sparkling cider.
Champagne, please.
Great choice. To go with that, would you prefer chocolates or a fruit splatter or local treats?
The fruit platter is sounds refreshing.
Excellent. We will also add a special touch. Would you like a rose petal scattered on the bed?
Yes, please.
Wonderful. The setup with roses, champagne, and a fruit will be ready before check-in on December 4, 2025. Is there anything else I can arrange?
No, is everything good. Thank you for your help.
It is our pleasure. We look forward to welcoming you both to Sun Hotel and wish you a beautiful honeymoon.